Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name's Nestor. I'm a little bit sick today, but it's a big day because we are finally getting our new car for the channel. Obviously, as you guys know, we have a 2018 BMW M2 Alpine White. Done a ton of mods to it. We stripped it back to stock in the last video, and today's finally the day where we're trading it in and upgrading for something else. Now here's your last chance, guys, if you want to guess what it is. I promise you're gonna have no idea, and nobody's gonna be able to guess it. So this is gonna be the last time you're seeing the BMW M2. Let's drive on out and quickly just I guess just cut right into the new car. Let's do it. Ladies and gents, the upgrade. Boys, check that out. And I promise you, it's not just the badge. I didn't just go around the corner and put a new badge on. I swear to God, we traded in the 2018 BMW M2 and got ourselves a 2020 M2 Comp. Now, yes, I should have probably gotten the Comp originally when I first bought this car, when I traded the orange C8 in, but you live and you learn. We made a lot of mods, learned a lot of things, and we're moving on to the S55 this time, and we're really gonna mod the shit out of this car. All right, take a look at the interior, guys. These seats, ooh, these seats are something else, man. That's one of the big changes. You get these nice M2 bucket seats on the Comp. You also get a bunch of different buttons here as well that the M2 didn't get. The dash looks a little bit different, but for the most part, the car is pretty much the same. We also got the Comp wheels right here. We have the way bigger brakes. These are 6-piston in the front, and in the rear, we also have the 4-piston brakes. On the M2 that I had, it was 4 in the front and 2 in the back. So we have better brakes, we got better seats, and a way better engine. Let me actually pop the hood and show you guys that right now. Check this out. Ooh, S55, baby. Beautiful carbon fiber brace right here. As you can see, you know, it's a twin turbo setup, massive intercooler right there. Oh man, I cannot wait to tune this bad boy. You got the grille shape that's a little bit different as well up front on the M2 Comp. As you can see, the mirror style is a little bit different as well. Black badges all across the car. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'm super excited to start modding this thing, because you know me, man. I got all the wheels spinning, I got all the ideas cranked out. I'm really excited, guys. Spring is sadly a few months away still, but you know, almost there. All right, enough showing off the car, guys. It's time we get behind the wheel and see exactly what this thing's made of. Now, it's the next day. I drove this car a little bit already, so I've got some first impressions to share with you guys. And right off the bat, the first thing that I noticed that was like crazy to me is how different the sound is inside the cabin compared to the N55. Like, it is a night and day difference. A lot of people say that the S55 sounds like crap, but inside the cabin, it's actually the opposite. It sounds really good in the cabin, but I think that's because they pipe through artificial engine noise through the speakers. And I'm not sure if the N55 did that, but if I had to guess, I'd say no. Now, I like the fact that on the steering wheel, there's an M1 and M2 button. You can set up exactly how you want the dual clutch transmission, the steering, I believe also the suspension feel, all of that stuff into these 2 buttons, and you can go from comfort to your specific, you know, sport track driving settings in one simple button, which is really nice because there's a lot of options that you can play with here. All right, we popped it into M1 here, guys. Let's see how this thing reacts and responds and sounds really. Losing a lot of traction. Oh, it sounds so nice in the cabin, guys. It really does. We're already going way over the speed limit, and that was just like a 3/4 of a pull in second gear. Yeah, I'm gonna have to really watch out, guys, because it is currently -6 degrees Celsius, And believe it or not, I'm on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. So not a great combination right there, guys. Not a great combo. Oh, we got a nice little straight here. I'm not even going full pedal to the metal here, guys. Ooh, we are several times over the speed limit right there. Oh boy. Oh, we got a bright, beautiful red sunset going on right now. Probably mess with the lighting, but my eyes are pretty blinded right now. Man, sounds so great. Yes, sounds so good. I think compared to the N55, you hear a little bit more life in the engine. It's a little more throaty, whereas on the N55, I felt like the engine was a little quieter, but the exhaust was more deep. So that's kind of the difference there. But no worries, we're gonna be messing with the exhaust, cats, potentially even doing equal length mid-pipe, or I don't know if it's called mid-pipe, but equal length from Active Airworks. I think that's something we could do on this car because those sound amazing. The seats also is something I have to comment on, man. The seats are much more sportier than the base M2. They really hold you in once you get the bolster set up properly, and it feels like a actual track seat. Okay, and you know what else, guys? I think that stock S55 may be just as fast as the stage 2 N55 that I had, which is boot mode stage 2, intercooler, sport catter, downpipe, and charge pipe. We gotta have a race against my brother. His car is the same, stage 1, he didn't do anything else to it, and I raced him when I was stage 2 on my car, and we have a video of the results. So the best way to compare is just to race this against that when this car's stock, and really see what we're dealing with. It's kind of got everything dialed in perfectly for you, and you don't have to do a lot of tinkering to really get this thing to perform the exact way that you want. I mean, the upgrades are endless. Obviously, you got the seats, which are huge for tracking. You got the brakes, which are huge for tracking, and you have a better engine stock, which is obviously, you know, we're losing grip that entire time, guys. The car was like slowly just like gliding to the side. Oh my goodness, man. Even from 4th gear, man. Wow. Wow. Pulls strong, man. Pulls very strong. That was we might have just done triple the speed limit with a 4th gear pull. Wild. Definitely has a lot of power, and I'm telling you right now, man, I do not believe the 400, what does this car make? 400 to the crank apparently is what BMW says. I'm just gonna go out and say I don't believe that one bit. It feels like it's got almost 400 to the wheel, not the crank. So we might have to dyno this thing before we start doing any mods to it and really get an idea of where this car's sitting. But yeah, guys, the sun is going down, so we're gonna be calling it here pretty shortly. Canadian winters, 5:20 p.m. It already gets dark, which is pretty unfortunate, but you gotta work with what you have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also the announcement of the M2 Comp. I hope you guys like it, and hope you're looking forward to all the mods we have coming to this car as well. Oh, they're right there, but it's a little too loud. The wind's a little too loud right now. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hold on, let's try here. There's a very specific rev range. Oh yeah. All right, guys, enough messing with that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Drop a like if you did. Subscribe for more daily car content, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.